Hello everyone, a very warm welcome. Now let's do a quick revision of short vowels. A sound is A as in apple. E sound is E as in elephant. I sound is E as in igloo. O sound is O as in octopus. U sound is A as in umbrella. Now this is a magic wand. This has got a power of magic E. And you know what happens when it whoosh its magic wand? When it does, it taps the short vowel with its wand and makes it say its long name in a word where it comes in the end. It really loves to come in the end. And when it comes in the end, it whoosh and becomes silent and makes the vowel say its long name. A, E, I, O, and U. Now E became silent. Let's see few words. Now here, the first we have k, ap, cap, the short A sound. Okay, k, ap. But when we are putting E in the end, what does it become? Let's put the magic. Whoosh. Now the word became ape. Because now the vowel is going to say its long name. Next is p in pin. Right? The safety pin that we use, the short sound. P in. Now let's put E in the end. Whoosh. What happened? Now the I is going to say the long name. Pine, 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 the tall tree, right? Next word is, let's go to the next word. The next word is hop, 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 hop. As in short, it became to hope, hope, long sound. I hope now you'll never forget this rule. Silent E, magic E, tub, tub. When you put E in the end, it becomes long U, tube. The short U becomes long, tube. Next is k and can. If we put E in the end, it becomes cane. The short A becomes long A, like in candy cane. Next is bit. Let's put E in the end and it becomes bite. The short I, the vowel, changes its name to long I. I. A little bit becomes a big bite. Cut. E in the end makes it little cute. Right? Becomes you. Now I am magic E. I hover and you see. I make the vowel say its name, then silent I will be. So let's remember that magic E becomes silent and gives all its power to the vowel and makes it say its name. Have a great day and do learn all these words: cake, bike, rose, mule, right? Look at the power of E, how it changes the sound. The short vowel is now calling its name. Bike, then rose, and then mule. That's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day. But do not forget that magic E has got a beautiful power. It becomes silent and gives all its power to the vowel before it and makes it say its name. As in, when we are writing the word, for example, k, a, p, a is short sound, but when we are adding e to it, it becomes k, ape, cape, right? Next is h, o, When we are writing hop, adding E to it, it becomes hope. Let's see the next one. Next is P in pin. When we add E to it, becomes, I is going to say its long name, pine. Right? Similarly, you can practice more. Thank you.